Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Woo! Today I bring another brand new construction vehicles collection video. Let's check them out. Alright, today the collection is quite vibrant, so colorful. Alright, let's start with this one. A rescue truck. Woo! Look at the size. It's a gigantic rescue truck. Woo! It's customizable to some extent. For example, like this. Alright. That's where people go and rescue people from arson-based building. Look at this. It's a yellow rescue truck. Alright. And it also comes with engine power. Woo! Alright. In the bowl. Next, school bus. Wow. It's a Benton Fixon school bus. Woo! A blue Benton school bus, double-decker. Wow! And another red color school bus. Woo! All right, it's a double-decker city center bus. Also comes with ventilators on the rooftop. Woo! Yellow and red. Alright. Dual color combination. Whoa, wow. Looks amazing. Nice. Alright, whoa. It's blue into blue. And there goes red. Alright, now I have rhymed it. Next comes, wow, cement mixer. A mini cement mixer. Woohoo! The color combination is sky blue, yellow, and white canister. Wow! Alright. Next goes another custom size cement mixer. It's a medium cement mixer. Wow! Also comes with a lever, orange canister, red holder, green shell, yellow shell, and orange tire. Cement mixer! Woohoo! Alright, alright. It goes in the bowl. Great collection, guys. Wow! What is this? Woo! A yellow shell, orange canister. Oh, wow! A fuel truck. Woohoo! Also comes with orange leather. Red toolbox, yellow shell, fuel truck. Woohoo! Sheesh! Wow! Take a closer look, everyone. Alright, alright. Next comes, wow! A garbage truck. A full-on customizable lever-based garbage truck. Woo! Also comes with engine power. Alright. The color combination is orange, yellow, orange shell, yellow tire, yellow garbage holder. Alright. Full spring bait, full-on customized garbage holder. Woo! Okay, next comes a mini cement dump truck. Woohoo! Comes from the same company. Color combination sky blue, yellow. Alright. You can also run it in battery. Woohoo! Next. Wait a minute. We have so many buses today. Wow. Whoa. An orange double-decker city driving civilized city center bus. Woo! Yay! And one tourist bus. Black and yellow color combo. Yellow tourist bus. Wow. Okay. It's in the bag. Another in the bag. Well, my friends, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel. Woo! Next, yay! A red dump truck. Also with a cover. A custom folder cover. Wow! It's a gigantic red truck. Woo! Wow, look at this. Nice color. The color combination yellow, crimson red, and orange tire. Wow, I think this is the oil tank. Woo! Sheesh! It's big. Uh-oh. The toy bowl is almost full. I wonder if I can feed those. Next comes... Wow! A gigantic car carrier. Whoa! Nice and very cool car carrier. Look at this. These are the honks. Woo! Pap, pap. The color combo. Red, green, yellow. And also comes... Alright! Engine power! Sheesh! Okay, Mr. Car Holder. Oh, he also got a cousin, I see. This one's color combination is white and light green. Along comes with paste. Another engine power. Woo! Okay. In the bag. Steady. Okay. I'm stacking all of them up. It's very risky, I guess. But I don't have any choice. Next comes a gigantic cement mixer. Woohoo! Look at this, a very shiny blue cement canister. It comes with a cement pourer and a tray, a ladder, yellow and sky blue color combination. A gigantic cement mixer. Woo! Okay, look at this stack. It's huge. Another cement mixer. Wow. This one is black and yellow with a very spinny canister. Look at it. I'm spinning all those cement. Process. Woo! Okay, another stack. Last but not least, another colorful color custom cement mixer. This one is blue, yellow, and a white canister. Wow. Okay, you stay here. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next video, everyone. Bye bye.